Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add extract effect on Premiere Pro. So first, if you want to open Premiere Pro, after opening it, we just need to drag the video clip which we want to add the effect. And then here you can see the original video clip which I want to add the effect. And for this video clip, I'm just going to add the effects. So for that, we just need to go to effects. If you don't have an effects over here, then here on the top you can see here many options, and here is second last option. You can see here window, click on that. And then here is an option, you can see here effects, click on that, or otherwise you can click Shift+7 and the effects will open. After opening the effects, here you can see a search bar over here, click on that and search for extract. And then here you can see here the effect extract, drag that effect to video clip. And after that you play your video, you can see that you had been added extract effect to video clip on Premiere Pro. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.